From the first time we lit the night, to the first time we saw the end of light, it is endless for humans to probe the unknown. When we step into this world, to listen to the sound of the earth, to feel the direction of the wind, to discover the profusion of the world. We keep turning the unknown into known facts, updating the definition of freshness. Exploration has never been a simple word. It's a micro-level, delicate expression. A research to narrow the vision by 300 times. A change to overthrow the cognitive dimension. However, this is just the beginning. Exploring freshness is not only the delicacy on the table, or the pursuit of natural comfort. It's a search for self, the yearning for the wild. It is to face the complicated world with a heart full of purity, nature, and freshness. My dear refrigerator, exploring freshness.